Hi, and welcome to The Brief. I'm Sanam Siddiqui, presenting to you the Brief News. Louis Vuitton has filed a suit against the Chinese retailer Club Factory. Louis Vuitton, of course, needs no introduction. The Chinese retailer Club Factory is an e-commerce platform with headquarters in China. It's one of the 59 apps that was recently banned by the Indian government. These apps engaged in activities that were prejudicial to the sovereignty and integrity of India, the defense of India, the security of state and public order. The Delhi High Court has issued a summons in a suit filed by Louis Vuitton against the Chinese retailer Club Factory. During the pendency of the suit, Louis Vuitton had also prayed for the grant of an ad-interim injunction restraining Club Factory or its partners, agents, distributors, etc. from importing, manufacturing, warehousing, selling, and or offering for sale or advertising directly or indirectly any goods, including face masks, which bear the Louis Vuitton's registered trademarks. These marks include Louis Vuitton, the LV logo, the Toile monogram pattern, the Damier pattern, and or the LV flower pattern, or any similar trademark which may amount to an infringement of the registered trademarks. It was also prayed that the sale of such infringing products should be barred on all Club Factory platforms, including the website www.clubfactory.com, mobile apps, and social media platforms. Louis Vuitton has also set a direction to immediately suspend the web links which advertise and or offer for sale infringing product. The Council for Club Factory stated that on being notified about the URL on which the infringing products are listed, shall itself remove the links to the infringing products in accordance with its policy, which is in conformity with the Information Technology Act. The Hon'ble Court has issued notice in the application for interim relief. However, it has not yet granted any interim relief to Louis Vuitton. It has, however, directed Club Factory to file its reply within 2 weeks. Matter is now listed for the 13th of August. Please stay tuned. Bye! If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button below. That were prejudicial and has next be heard on the 13th of the matter would